I am coming from India. I am coming from India. They came from park. They came from park. Raja will work from 10 o'clock. Raja will work from 10 o'clock. I wrote it from the book. I wrote it from the book. I work from 10 to 5. I work from 10 to 5. I picked the mobile off the bed. I picked the mobile off the bed. I am coming from Bangladesh. I am coming from Bangladesh. I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. I heard it from Raja. I heard it from Raja. We are from Bangladesh. We are from Bangladesh. He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. I am wiping the dust off the screen. I am wiping the dust off the screen. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. He is getting off the bus. He is getting off the bus. He has been trying since Monday. He has been trying since Monday. He has been here since yesterday. He has been here since yesterday. I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since morning. I have been playing since morning. I have been playing since morning. Monkey jumped off the tree. Monkey jumped off the tree. Leaves are falling off the tree. Leaves are falling off the tree. Raja has been walking since 4. Raja has been walking since 4. Neha has been weeping since noon. Neha has been weeping since noon. Mom is at home at 5 o'clock. Mom is at home at 5 o'clock. He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. He came to me for money. He came to me for money. He bought a pen. He bought a pen. I've been playing for long. I've been playing for long. Raja has been saying for 2 days. Raja has been saying for 2 days. Mom is at home for a while. Mom is at home for a while. He came here for money. He came here for money. I gave my mobile for 500 money. I gave my mobile for 500 money. I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. I did it for you. I did it for you. I gave a mobile. I gave a mobile. Raja has been walking for 2 hours. Raja has been walking for 2 hours. She had been here for 10 minutes. She had been here for 10 minutes. I have been studying for many days. I have been studying for many days. I am going to Dhaka for study. I am going to Dhaka for study. That boy did it for you. That boy did it for you.